There is no Christmas.
There is no Christmas.
There is no Christmas without Pandoro. That's the recipe, guys. I follow different recipe. Recipe number 1, according to 5-6 online recipe that promise you the best, and my own. And look at that. This looks nice, but it's like a firm cake. And look at this. This is what you want, yeah? This is the Pandoro. Soft, nice, coming back like a sponge. Be careful with the online recipe. Unbelievable, I make it simple. Amazing result. Make your own. This is the one. This is the one is working. There is no another one. Look at that. And of course, the best moment.
Time for tasting.
Time to test this beauty. Look at that. Nice, flaky, unbelievable soft. Merry Christmas. Actually, it's very nice. Make your own, guys. Super simple recipe, actually require just a day and one dough instead of spending 2-3 days and complicate your life. And the result, it's unbelievable, guys. We start by doing what in Italy we call lievitino, or the starter. That means we combine 100 grams of Manitoba flour, very important flour, with 10 grams of fresh yeast and 60 ml of lukewarm water. And after that, we let it rest the starter in an oven with the light on to make sure the temperature is around 28-30 degrees for approx half an hour to raise. We need our starter to grow at least 3 times in the volume. After that, we start with the mixer. In the mixer, we will put 350 grams again Manitoba flour, sugar 130 grams, 7 egg yolk. Remember, Pandoro in Italian means golden bread. Means the color is coming from the eggs and the butter, of course. 7 egg yolk are around 140 grams. 200 gram butter need to be room temperature. 5 grams of salt and 1 spoon of vanilla extract. We can put even grated orange and lemon skin for extra flavor. Do what you want, but the base need to be vanilla. Don't forget 60 ml of water. And what we do, because the method is the most important, otherwise Pandoro will not become what we know as a Pandoro. We start in the mixer with our starter and the 350 grams of Manitoba flour, and we let it go. When the flour is incorporated, we add the water, the 60 ml. Remember, at this step, I suggest you to remove your butter from the fridge to make sure it's at room temperature. We add half of our sugar. Very important. The sugar we will incorporate in 2 times. After that, we start with our egg yolk that give the name of the Pandoro for the color. And we incorporate the yolk 2 at the time. When I incorporate, we add the other 2. Extremely important. And please follow those steps, don't rush, because if you put all the ingredients together too fast, the dough will not become what we want. That means the final result after don't complain will not be the same. After incorporate the yolk, we go really slowly with the butter. This will take around 20-30 minutes because we incorporate piece by piece. We make sure the dough incorporate all the butter before we go with the next pieces. I know it's taking half an hour, but make the difference, believe me. And when the butter is incorporated, we can add the salt, the 5 grams of salt, and the vanilla extract. We let the dough go in the machine till, it's not sticky anymore to the border of the machine, but it's attached to the center, to what we call in Italy foglia, or this accessory for the machine. The leaf, in English, the leaf. We work our dough on the bench just to make it a ball, like a pizza dough, let's say like that. We put in the bowl, we cover it, we let it rest again 2-3 hours to double or triple the volume. 2 hours, look at that. Triple the volume of our Pandoro. After that we work it again, doing what we call the foldering the dough 2-3 times and recreate this ball. And we need a mold. This mold is coming from Amazon, is for Pandoro, is 1 kilo mold, is what we need for this recipe. I will put the link in bio. We brush the Pandoro mold with butter, a little bit of flour to avoid that it stick in the oven. We put the dough on and we let it raise till it's reaching the border and ready for the oven. 6 hours, I believe, 7 more or less, and after in the oven, enjoy. Timing in the oven, 170 degrees, static oven for 45 minutes. The result, unbelievable. Time to sprinkle with powdered sugar and enjoy. And I promise we wait till our Pandoro cool down completely. Time to remove it from our mold. And we take our beautiful board, our Pandoro, upside down, and let's see if it's coming. Oh, Pandoro, this is not the ultimate recipe, it's the only one. Look at that, unbelievable, guys. And of course, the best moment.
Time for tasting!
Time to taste this beauty. Look at that. Nice, flaky, unbelievable soft. Cheers! Merry Christmas, guys!
Christmas.
Make your own. That's a good one. Unbelievable.
Yum yum.
Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!